Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are diving back into Zimage Turbo, one of the most popular checkpoints to release in the last year. As you know, it's lightweight, photorealistic, and a lot of fun to play with. Very flexible, easy to train for LoRAs. I've covered it in the past, but I wanted to circle back because I found this workflow which uses the JIB or JIB mix checkpoint and this workflow. So what I did is I actually modified it a little bit more for my liking, and I've been getting incredible results out of it. So I uploaded this modified version for free on smallzero.io if you want to try it out and follow along during this video. There is a few things you're going to need to install to get it working. So first off, you're going to need this custom checkpoint, which you can get on Civid AI or anywhere else. It helps with realism a lot. What else did you need to install here? There was a couple of more things. You're going to need the AE VAE for that. And you're also going to need something called the UltraFlux VAE. These are all linked on smallzero.io. It'll link everything you need to download for this workflow. So pretty simple. There's some custom nodes as well. I believe the K-Sampler Advanced you're going to need to install. The Clown Shark K-Sampler as well, and a few other things, but it's all standard stuff that is used in most workflows. And what I was also working on as well is a consistent face version of this as well. This will be for premium members and it's not quite finished yet, but the idea is to get the same photorealism from the other workflow, you know, looking really good, getting that really nice photorealism coming out, and then be able to apply a consistent face using a reference photo such as, you know, the SmallZero one here. Now, it's not quite finished, still got some work to do. As you can see, the cigarette didn't quite work, but today I just wanted to show you this one. So what we have here is a pretty simple prompt. Let's see, no LoRA trained on this one. So a young woman in a black outfit sips a drink that says smallzero.io, which is my website. Glancing sideways by a window, city lights illuminate the night background, accompanied by white and pink floral arrangements. Effortlessly cool, hot girl, VHS camera quality. This is the key to success, I find, for a lot of generations, is getting that kind of candid look, is including some kind of phrasing about the camera quality and usually referencing a vintage style, I should say a vintage digital style, which is kind of funny to say now, but it'll help give you more of that candid realism. Now let's open up this photo and take a look. So I think that looks really good. Obviously nothing's perfect, but the text is clear. She looks very realistic. I mean, the background is as real as it gets. That wood looks great. The lighting on the flowers and such looks good. Really happy with that overall. So let's try another prompt. A little trick that I like to use is when I'm creating a LoRA, I save all of my LoRA data prep for every single LoRA that I train. And then I go back to those files and I basically have a library of prompts I can use as well. It kind of works in reverse. So if you've trained something for Zimage, you can go back into that data that you prepared and copy the prompt from the text file and use it as a test generation. That's what I do a lot of the time. Okay, so this video isn't about LoRA training, but this is going to be a prompt that I took from my LoRA library. So you can see there. And again, we have VHS quality. So feel free to copy that prompt and do what I'm doing here and we'll see how it goes. So let's try that out. It doesn't take very long, maybe 20 or 30 seconds, but I will fast forward just to save time. Okay, that's completed. So let's open that up and take a closer look. Okay, that's pretty cool. Look at the background. Very realistic in my opinion. The details added here are quite incredible. Even the hanger in the background there. Some of the faces on the wall, if you look too close, like right here, is a little bit janky, but for the most part, this is some of the best quality I've seen out of Zimage. And I mean, this doesn't take a lot to run. Quite incredible. So again, this workflow is free on my website if you want to try it out. Okay, so I just wanted to make a really quick video about this new Zimage workflow that I modified. You can find it for free on Civid AI, or you can use my modified version on smallzero.io. That is free to any member. You don't have to pay. I will have the face swap workflow up once it's completed as well. That will be for paid members, but if you want to join our Discord and come hang out, we'll be there. It's free to join. So yeah, thanks for checking out this video, and hopefully you have fun with this workflow. I've been loving it. Have a good day.
Addiction, who was it worth it? Did you give your life away? The fever, desperate religion, and all that she can say. just a little bit.